Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learning with Dr. Simpe. Today I am going to brief about the topic which is haloform reaction, which is an important organic reaction for the preparation of a haloform. Haloform is, and it is also known as iodoform test because it gives iodoform positive test. What is iodoform and what is chloroform? Chloroform, you all know that chloroform CHCl3. CHCl3 is known as chloroform and CHI3 is known as iodoform. Similarly, if CHBr3, then it is known as bromoform. CHCl3, it is a colorless liquid, so very difficult to identify, but in case of CHI3, it will form yellow precipitate which can be easily identified in the reaction, as yellow precipitate can be easily visible as it is a colored compound formation take place. And this is haloform reaction is a methyl ketone test. Methyl ketone give positive iodoform test. Firstly, I am going to discuss the mechanism and what is the reaction which is haloform reaction, and after that I will discuss that which compound will give iodoform test or which compound will not give iodoform test. So let's start. Firstly, what is haloform reaction? This is a confirmatory test for methyl ketone. So I am taking firstly methyl ketone. R C double bond O CH3. Methyl ketone. This is a compound methyl ketone. When it react with halogen in the presence of a base which is sodium hydroxide, and the ratio of halogen and sodium hydroxide is 3:4. In the reaction the ratio is 3:4. I am telling you that why we have taken this ratio 3:4. This will be clear in the mechanism. 3:4, then the product formation is R C double bond O. This bond will break. R C double bond O, O negative Na positive plus CHI3 which is haloform, and I likha hai, then it is known as iodoform. Here X, so CHX3. It is haloform. If I take it I, then it is known as iodoform. So firstly, what is the mechanism of this reaction? Mechanism. Very easy mechanism of haloform reaction. What is the mechanism? Firstly, R C double bond O CH3. It can be written as CH2H because these hydrogen are active hydrogen and these will react with base. Base will abstract this active hydrogen first. Base abstract this active hydrogen and this negative charge will shift over there. R C double bond O CH2 minus and minus water molecule, and this will exist as a resonating structure just like this. This will shift over there, this bond will shift over there. R C oxygen negative bond CH2 and this will is double bond. This is the resonating structure, and after that there is addition of halogen XX. By this charge on the carbon, it get partial positive charge and partial negative charge. So this will attack over there and this bond will shift over there. So this R C double bond O CH2X. Now there are two more hydrogen which are acidic in nature, which are these two H2. So firstly it will further react with base. This base abstract this active hydrogen. Similar step, R C double bond O CH minus X. Okay, अब यहाँ से भी एक हाइड्रोजन चला गया, देन हेलोजन सेम वैसे ही XX. जब हेलोजन आएगा ये हेलोजन से ऐसे रिएक्ट करेगा, ये X माइनस X नेगेटिव रिमूव होगा. R C double bond O CHX2 like this. अब फर्दर फिर दोबारा क्या होगा, इसमें एक हाइड्रोजन और है, फिर दोबारा हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन आएगा. हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन दिस एब्स्ट्रैक्ट करेगा दिस प्रोटॉन को, जिसके कारण इस पे क्या आ जाएगा, नेगेटिव चार्ज। तो क्या फॉर्मेशन होगा, देखिए आर सी डबल बॉन्ड ओ सी नेगेटिव X2। फिर फर्दर क्या होगा, हेलोजन, डेल्टा पॉजिटिव डेल्टा नेगेटिव। ये हेलोजन का एब्स्ट्रैक्ट करेगा, ये X नेगेटिव निकलेगा। सिंपल स्टेप, बिल्कुल सिंपल, जस्ट you have to do step by step and CX3. I think these steps clear to you. Very easy and very simple step. After that, base will come, OH negative ion, and now it will attack on this carbonyl and this bond will shift over there. So R C bond oxygen minus bond OH, okay, and CX3. After that this will shift over there and ये वाला रिमूव हो जाएगा और हमारा क्या फॉर्मेशन होगा, देखिए R C डबल बॉन्ड ऑक्सीजन बॉन्ड OH प्लस CX3 माइनस। ये माइनस है तो ये क्या करेगा, ये वाला बॉन्ड यहां शिफ्ट होगा और ये यहां पर चला जाएगा। तो हमारा क्या फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगा, R C डबल बॉन्ड O नेगेटिव प्लस CH X3 विच इज हेलोफॉर्म। सो हेलोफॉर्म प्रिपेयर, और ये O नेगेटिव होगा वो क्या करेगा, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट कर देगा बेस में से Na पॉजिटिव। सो द प्रोडक्ट इज RCO नेगेटिव Na पॉजिटिव एंड CH X3। दिस इज द मैकेनिज्म। अब मैं आपको ये बताती हूँ कि इसमें 3:4 कैसे हैं। देखिए हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन इज 4, 1 हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन, सेकेंड हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन, थर्ड हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन एंड फोर्थ हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन। 4 OH नेगेटिव यूज, सो द रेशियो इज 4. हेलोजन, हेलोजन इज 1, okay, 2 and 3. 3 halogen, so it is in the ratio of 3:4. This is the haloform test and which is an interesting topic of organic chemistry. I think these steps are very clear to you. These are the very simple steps which I have discussed in haloform reaction. Okay. Now I am going to discuss certain key points of haloform reactions. These are the certain key points. As I have already mentioned that methyl ketone give the positive iodoform test. So CH3C double bond O. This is methyl ketone. This will give positive iodoform test. Beside this compound which is an alcoholic CH3CHOH, it also give iodoform test. Why it also give iodoform test? Because after oxidation, अगर हम इसको ऑक्सीडेशन करेंगे, ऑक्सीडेशन मीन्स रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, these 2 hydrogen will be removed and the product is CH3C double bond O, which is methyl ketone. So this alcoholic group also give this positive iodoform या haloform test. Now easy trick to remember the product is CH3C double bond O. This is methyl ketone. Upon reaction with halogen in the presence of a base, there is a breaking of the bond is this one. So this bond C double bond O negative Na positive यहाँ पर आएगा और CH X3. This is the product. Now the question, which compound will give the positive iodoform test and which will not give the positive iodoform test? First one is this one, the example. This is CH3CHOH. This is similar to that. Remember in your mind that CH3C double bond O group and CH3CHOH group give positive iodoform test. And these compound are always CH3 group adjacent to that of carbonyl group. Always CH3 group adjacent to carbonyl group give positive iodoform test. For example, this CH3 group is adjacent to this alcoholic group, so it will give positive iodoform test. Now the second means this one. This one is CH3CH2OH, CH2CH3. Here the OH group not adjacent to that of methyl group. It is adjacent to CH2 group. So it will not give positive iodoform test. Next one is this one. Here CH3C double bond O group. here CH3, CH2, if you will see from the left side, then you think that it will not give positive iodoform test. But from the right side, it contains CH3, C double bond O. So it will give positive iodoform test. Now I am taking the example of primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, whether they give the positive iodoform test or not. Firstly, I am taking primary alcohol. Simple example of primary alcohol is CH3. Simple is CH3OH. Whether it give iodoform test or not. Firstly, upon oxidation, it will form CH2 double bond oxygen. It is not CH3 C double bond O group, so it will not give iodoform test. Next is second. This one is methyl alcohol. Second one is ethyl alcohol. CH3 CH2OH. It will upon oxidation करेंगे, removal of hydrogen, one from this, one from this, then the formation is CH3 C double bond OH. CH3 carbonyl group के adjacent is methyl group, so it will give positive iodoform test. Next is CH3 CH2 CH2OH. Upon oxidation, it will form CH3 CH2 C double bond O bond H. Adjacent is CH2 group, not CH3 group, so it will not give iodoform test. So in case of primary alcohol, only ethyl alcohol या ethanol give positive iodoform test. Next one is secondary alcohol. I am taking the example of secondary alcohol. In case of secondary alcohol, the example is just like this: CH3 CH2 CHOH CH2 CH3. In this case, only 3 ol. Hydroxyl group at third position will give positive iodoform test. How? Now let us see whether it give 3 ol positive iodoform test or not. It will not give positive iodoform test. Only 2 ol. 2 ol will give positive iodoform test. For example, upon oxidation, if we take oxidation of this 3, 1, 2, 3 position पे है, CH3, CH2, एक हाइड्रोजन यहाँ से, एक हाइड्रोजन यहाँ से, then C double bond O, CH2, CH3. But methyl group is not adjacent to that of this carbonyl group, so it will not give positive iodoform test. If we take 2 ol, 2 ol is CH3, CH2, one, two, three. This is 2 ol. Okay. Upon oxidation, it will upon oxidize, it will form CH3, CH2, C double bond O, CH3. Now the methyl group adjacent to that of carbonyl carbon, so it will give positive iodoform test. Now I am going to discuss some exceptional cases which whether they will give a positive iodoform test or not. For example, there are some exceptions just like this. This is the example: CH3 C double bond O, CH2 N double bond oxygen, oxygen negative. I have taken 2 electron withdrawing group, which is nitro group and cyano group. In nitro group and cyano group, if there are 2 adjacent group are present, electron withdrawing group, whether they give positive haloform test or not, this confirmly not give positive iodoform test. This not give positive iodoform test. Why they not give positive iodoform test? Although they contain methyl group adjacent to carbonyl carbon. This is because when they attack of a firstly base either abstract the hydrogen of this one, this hydrogen, or this hydrogen, but it firstly abstract the hydrogen of this. These hydrogen are more acidic in comparison to this hydrogen. If we abstract this hydrogen, then there is a formation of haloform. But when they abstract this hydrogen, there is no formation of haloform take place. Why? Because if we take the resonating structure, if we remove this hydrogen, then CH3 C double bond O with the help of a base, then CH minus N double bond oxygen negative. In this case, there is resonance from both sides, this side as well as this side. Okay, both side resonance take place, so it is more resonance stabilized. If we remove this hydrogen, this will negative charge, this bond will shift over there, this bond will shift over there. Only resonance from one side take place. But in this case, there are resonance take place from both the sides. So it is more resonating stabilized structure. So the abstraction of this hydrogen firstly take place by that of base, and the halogen will shift over there. So it will not give the positive haloform test. Similarly, the case arises in this case. In this case also it abstracts this hydrogen. CH3 C double bond O CH negative C triple bond N. Similarly, यहाँ से ये रेजोनेंस हो सकता है या फिर यहाँ से ये रेजोनेंस. बोथ साइड रेजोनेटिंग स्ट्रक्चर पॉसिबल है, जिसके कारण दिस कंपाउंड इज मोर रेजोनेटिंग स्टेबलाइज्ड देन दैट ऑफ द compound which are formed by the abstracting of hydrogen from that methyl group. So the haloform positive test does not given by this group if they contain, although they contain CH3 C double bond O group, but they do not give positive iodoform test. This is the reason behind this. I am going to discuss the next example which is very interesting. Either it will give positive iodoform test or not. This is a similar example which I have already discussed, that nitro and cyano group CH3 C double bond O CH2 C double bond O CH3. In this case, it either give positive iodoform test or not, but it give positive iodoform test. Why? Firstly, this is more acidic hydrogen, so it will abstract this hydrogen base. Firstly, add on this, it will abstract this hydrogen, and the formation is CH3 C double bond O CH negative C double bond O CH3. Now iodine add होगा over there. This iodine will remove. Then the formation is CH3 C double bond O CHI C double bond O CH3. Okay. Further फिर base add होगा. And then iodine. Similarly, base add होगा, then it abstract this hydrogen. There will be negative charge, then iodine add होगा. I will write both the steps simultaneously in one step. Ci2 C double bond O CH3. Okay. अब उसके बाद further base will come, OH negative ion. It will come over there, and there will be shifting upon this there. Then CH3 C double bond O Ci2 COH bond oxygen minus CH3. After that, this is very interesting. This bond shift over there and this bond shift over there. So there is CH3 C double bond O OH acetic acid plus CH3 C double bond O Ci2 and negative बन गया. Then it abstract further iodine just like this CH3 C double bond O Ci3. Okay, this one. अब उसके बाद में फिर क्या होगा, इस पे बेस का अटैक. When base come, base will attack over there. This bond will shift over there. Then CH3 C oxygen negative OH and Ci3. Further, this bond shift over there, and this will remove. CH3 C double bond O OH plus Ci3 negative, and this Ci3 negative abstract this proton, and this bond will shift over there. So CH3 C double bond O negative plus CHI3. This is iodoform. In this case, there is a formation of a iodoform. So it will give positive iodoform test. So in this case, I have explained all the example which give either iodoform test or not. I hope all these steps clear to you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.